on getting to position. Follow my spin. There it goes, much better.
Yeah, except I put my head into your elbow.
You did? Again, now, not just one step, but two. Watch me. You take that first step to here, gathering step into me. So it looks like, so you spin and kick me.
Oh,
Other
that's why
side?
your knee kicked me.
Other side. Okay? See, I'm right here. Do a little bit faster.
It was faster. Oh, you kicked
Other
me.
side?
Okay.
I didn't even kick you, you just fell on my knee because I'm taller than you. A little bit faster.
Oh, wait, I want them to see
Okay.
that. You put your toes on my heel.
I stopped your foot so that you can't continue the spin. I can stop your foot on your ankle, on your foot, on your toes, however, I stop your foot. If you keep spinning, you break it. I'm David Sleeper from O Sleeper Tactical. Join me as I seek to equip myself and others to fight the good fight and finish the race well through fighting skills, weapon skills, and an unrelenting dedication to truth.